Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off your iPhone without touching the screen and how we can do this. So you can do this whenever you are having these kind of issues, such as unresponsive screen or the screen is completely on the bits is not working, and all this kind of issues might be popping in your daily life. So wherever somewhere around down the road, and you might be having this issue. So how we can completely turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. So we have one option which is go over here. Then what you need to do is we just need to press a couple of buttons all together. So to do this, we have to press the volume fluid by volume now, and you have to press and hold the power button over here all together simultaneously. Which means first press these two buttons, then you have to go over here, this particular button over here. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can do this, and to your phone, we turn it off and start, you can see the Apple logo. You have to keep pressing this. Then I'm going to let me follow over here that what we need to do. So if you press this, I'm going to press volume out followed by volume down, and I'm going to press and hold the power button like this. So you might be able to see an Apple logo, so we need to read on this, we see the Apple logo. So right now, as you can see, it's been completely done and above. And now, as you can see, the Apple logo is here, right? So actually, this is actually, what I demonstrated to you, not how to turn off your iPhone. This is actually kind of a restart, forced restart your iPhone, because we don't have a method to turn your iPhone without using any kind of buttons, because we don't have Apple, does not provide such things. All you can do is you can do a forced restart like this. So there is only the one way which reminds us if you wanted to completely turn off your iPhone, we have one way because you have to wait. Then completely we have to wait to drain out your battery. So it is not going to work so easily because it's going to be ending up in auto lock, so it's not going to move. So the one solution is vulnerability. We have to look at forced restart like this because for many users, sometimes they might be independent on unresponsive screen. As soon as they might be independent, the screen is not working or it's completely pissed off, and there's these kind of issues. So if that is the case, what happens is you have to wait for this. So that's when you have to do like this, and most problem that's can happen. So actually, peace out. Bye bye.